People always ask me, what should I be investing in? And that's what I'm talking about today. The 4 key areas you need to cover as you invest. Hello friends, it's your girl Ronke Odewumi again. Welcome back to my channel, The Bulletproof Life. If you are new on here, I talk about budgeting, saving, investing, building a bulletproof life, becoming debt-free, the journey to financial freedom and how to get on it. I share information and tips about money and just generally creating and growing wealth. Today, I'm going to be talking about the 4 areas you need to be investing in. You know the dream life you desire. You know what it looks like to you. Maybe it's a life of not working every day or working 3 days a week. Maybe it's a life of living in a sunny location, in a house on the beach. Maybe it's a life of charity and you're doing charitable work and you're not worrying about where your income is coming from. Or maybe it's a life where you're working hard every day, adding value to people. Whatever your dream life is that you have envisioned in your mind, there are 4 places you need to be investing in order for you to achieve that dream life. And that's what I'm going to be talking about today. So let's get right into it. The first area you need to cover is investing in yourself. What do I mean by investing in yourself? I mean getting yourself an education, increase your knowledge about business, about life, about economics. Just get your knowledge base built up. There are so many ways you can get the education you need. You can read books. You can watch YouTube videos like mine to get the knowledge you need to do the things that you need to do to budget, to save, and to invest, to progress your career. I share videos even to help you progress your career. You can attend courses. I offer budgeting, saving, and investing master classes, which you can attend. I offer them every other month. So if you follow me on Instagram, you will know when I'm offering a master class for you to attend. And the beauty of the world we live in now is that knowledge is at our fingertips. So invest in yourself by getting the education, the knowledge, and the learning that will help you progress your career, grow your business, budget, save, invest your money, secure your future, and build the dream life that you desire. The first place you need to be investing is in yourself. The second place you need to invest is your health. Because if you don't invest in your health and you die, who's going to be around to enjoy the dream life you desire or the dream life that you want to live? So you need to invest in your health. And investing in your health has the benefit of keeping you alive, not just to enjoy, but keeping you in good health to enjoy the dream life you desire. So how do you invest in your health? 1, you eat the right food. Eat the right food. And eat the right food at the right time. Don't behave like a kitchen hoodlum and you are there at 12 midnight eating starch, eating gari, eating jollof rice, making up toast and beans at 1 a.m. Not okay. Eat food that is good and eat it at the right time. I'm guilty of a lot of things when it comes to food, and it's a constant journey for me every day to improve myself. So I'm talking to you, I'm talking to myself. Eat the right food at the right time. Don't stop there. Keep fit. Keep your body moving. I was reading a book about the community in Japan where they live very, very long, well into their hundreds. And when they interviewed all of them in that community, or they interviewed a large number of them, they talked about the fact that they keep themselves active. They're not necessarily in the gym, gymming away and, keeping fit at that level, but they keep moving constantly. They are constantly in motion. They exercise their bodies, they take walks. So I'm going to advise you, as I'm advising myself many times, to keep fit and keep moving. Get that exercise in, get that walk in. If you can't go to the gym, you can do exercise on YouTube. There is a lot of exercises on YouTube that you can do. P.E. Joe, fantastic guy, had all these exercises out that we could all do during lockdown. So we have no excuse, you and I. We can keep fit, without breaking the bank. So let's keep fit. The other thing you need to do to invest in your health is to take your vitamins. Vitamin D is a good one, especially now that we are not getting a lot of sunshine because it's winter. And because we are indoors a lot, I think I've gotten less sunshine in this year than any other year I can think of, because I've been indoors so much and I've been taking my vitamin Ds. So take your vitamin Ds. You can get them over the counter from Boots or Superdrug or any of those pharmacies. Get your vitamin Ds and take them regularly. They're good for you. They help your immune system. They boost your immune system and so on. I'm not a doctor, but I've had enough conversations with medical professionals to know that keeping on top of your vitamins D is good for your health. If you can throw in other vitamins, multivitamins, vitamin C's, even better, get on it. Take care of your health. The additional suggestion I will make around investing in your health is to get health insurance. Yes, the NHS is fantastic. The NHS is doing great. I'm not one of those people who thinks the NHS is crap. I think the NHS is a miracle that we have in the UK, and I completely appreciate the NHS. I'm taking a minute to clap for all my NHS friends and professionals out there who are doing a great job. However, get health insurance simply because you and I know that the NHS is overburdened. There is a lot for the NHS to deal with. And your health insurance might be the difference between an early diagnosis and long life, and a late diagnosis and a truncated life. So friends, if you can afford it, get health insurance. Add that to an investment to yourself. The third thing you need to invest in, and this one is for those who have children, is to invest in your children. Invest time in your children. Spend time with them. I'm so grateful for something 2020 has done, and that is allowing us to spend time with our children. They were home, for weeks because they couldn't go to school, and they were schooling from home, and homeschooling was going on. And it's just changed the dynamics of our relationship. We were spending so much time together, having so much fun, and getting to know each other, and blending, and just loving. And I'm just being the dream parent I've always wanted to be for my children. And that's something 2020 has given to me as a gift, allowing me to be a better parent. So honestly, spend time with your children. Be the dream parent that you always imagined you would be when you have children. Be patient, play games with them, teach them stuff, teach them all the things you wish somebody had taught you when you were young or when you were their age. I play games with my daughter. I taught her to play Ludo, then I taught her to play Draft, I taught her to play Monopoly. Games have just been a bonding time for us. Monopoly was my way of teaching her about money, and there's a video on my channel where she came on my channel to actually talk about Monopoly. That's how much she loves it. Sometimes I literally have to hide from her because she's like, "Mommy, can we play Monopoly?" I'm like, "Again? Okay, let's do this." So invest in your children, invest in their education, invest in helping them become kind, thoughtful, contributing members of society. If you raise your children right, you will benefit from it. I will benefit from it. Everybody else will benefit from it. So I'm not teaching you how to be a parent because I don't have that manual, sorry. But I'm just saying, invest in your children. That's the third place you need to be investing. And the last place you need to be investing is your future. You need to be investing in your future. And this is really what my channel is all about, investing in your future. You need to budget your money so that you can save. You need to save so that you can invest. You need to invest so that you can create additional wealth for your future self. When you save, you really are paying income to your future self. You are being kind to your future self. That's your future self who in their 70s doesn't want to work so many hours. That's your future self in their 60s or 70s who just wants to spend their time doing charity or walking the beach or traveling the world or sampling different things or in food. Maybe I'm talking about my future self. But be kind to your future self by investing in it. And another way that you can invest in your future self, a sure banker way, is for you to have a pension. If you're watching this video and you don't have a pension, I really need you right after this video to make pension arrangements. A lot of us have the opportunity to make pension arrangements through our workplace, where you make a contribution and your employer matches it. It's free money. When you don't do that pension, your employer has nothing to match and their money goes back into their pockets. But when you do the pension, your employer matches it, and it's just great for you to take advantage of. If you're in the US, 401k, get on your 401k, you do your IRA, get that pension sorted. If you don't have an employer who can pay you pension because you are self-employed or you are a contractor, there is a plan for you. That is called a self-invested personal pension. It's a SIPP. And you can get a SIPP on a lot of the investment platforms out there. A lot of banks also offer SIPPs. So you have no excuse not to have a pension, either through your employer or through a private pension. Make pension plans. Take care of your future self. You don't want to be dependent on extended family, friends, children, and all of that when you're in your 70s. You don't want your 70s or 80s to be a time of hunger and worry and anxiety. You want it to be a time where you can live comfortably because you've spent your younger years working so hard. So investing in your future is the final type of investment you need to be doing. So just to give you a quick recap, there are 4 key areas where you need to be investing. You need to invest in yourself, you need to invest in your health, you need to invest in your children, and you need to invest in your future. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please like it, drop me a comment, tell me how you're doing your investments, how you've been coping with investing in all the 4 areas. If you have been doing them, chat with me, let's connect, let's talk about it. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. They deserve to know the 4 areas they should be investing in. I mean, what are friends for if you can't bring knowledge to each other? So invest in your friends by sharing this knowledge with them. If you haven't subscribed, please press the red button on your right. I'm still working towards 1,000 subscribers. It feels like it's taking forever, but I'm almost there. I've got just that little bit to go. I'm on 900 and something now, and I'm looking forward to come and share this good news with you. Until my next video, you take care of yourself and keep living that bulletproof life. Bye-bye.